Burnish with color floor is an excellent application procedure for interior concrete substrates exposed to excessive wear and tear. This process allows the applicator to achieve a natural appearance while utilizing the strength of the concrete matrix for durability and longevity. Burnish with color floor is a process-based application resulting in faster installations and project turnarounds. Burnish with Smith's color floor can be applied to new, fully cured concrete as well as older existing concrete slabs. Due to differences in application procedures, the Burnish with color floor procedure categorizes a new slab as concrete that is cured for 28 days to 5 years. In addition, a new slab has not been previously coated or exposed to foreign materials such as curing agent, oil, grease, siloxane, or fluorochemical. Whether the concrete is old or new, a test area should be completed to ensure desired color, appearance, sheen, and ability to burnish before embarking on a full installation. This instructional video focuses on burnishing an old concrete floor from the 1930s, which was previously painted as well as exposed to numerous unknown foreign materials. The first pass of this old concrete installation is with a traditional grinding machine in conjunction with 40 grit metal bonded diamonds. This step is followed by a second pass with 70 grit metal bonded diamonds. Both passes are done as a dry cut or dry grind. A third pass utilizing a traditional slow speed floor buffer with 100 grit resin bonded Dyma brush by Malish is performed as a wet grind. After the slurry is removed and the substrate is dry, the installation area is treated with Smith's Green Clean to aid in the removal of foreign materials that have wicked into the concrete capillaries. Allow the Smith's Green Clean to dwell for 20 minutes before removal utilizing an auto scrubber with brush attachments while rinsing with clean water. Extract by lowering the squeegee uptake bar on the auto scrubber. Continue to flush and agitate the substrate until the rinse water is clear. Allow the substrate to dry before proceeding to the staining phase. In order to create the ready-to-use stain, mix 1 part of Smith's Color Floor concentrate with 2 parts distilled water and 2 parts Base Boost. Smith's Base Boost is a blend of silicates that act as a densifier. Sparingly apply the ready-to-use stain to the substrate via a pump-up sprayer. As demonstrated, massage the stain into the floor with a microfiber mop. Continue to massage into the concrete until the stain is dry. If excess stain resides on the surface, streaks or mechanical lines may result. In addition, the unabsorbed silicate in the ready-to-use stain system may cure to a powder, resulting in undesired color blemishes as well as a decrease in the system's durability. It is very important to massage the stain into the substrate before proceeding. Once the first pass of color is completed, apply a second pass of stain perpendicular to the previous application. Thus, if the first pass was applied north to south, the second pass should be east to west. This increases color depth and uniformity. Complete the second color pass following the same application techniques as in the first pass. The stain area is burnished utilizing a high-speed buffer with a minimum of 1,500 rotations per minute. This phase begins with a 400 grit diamond-encrusted pad. Increase the pad grit with each pass of the installation until the final pass utilizing a 3,000 grit diamond-encrusted pad. After the final burnish step is complete, apply Smith's Surface Guard with a microfiber mop. As demonstrated, Smith's Surface Guard is not applied as a high-build film-forming sealer. Rather, its function is to fill any voids in the capillaries of the concrete to help mitigate future surface stains. Allow the first application of Surface Guard to dry to the touch before a second application following the same technique. A higher sheen is achieved by burnishing the installation area with a hog's hair pad after Smith's Surface Guard is cured for 24 hours. For ongoing maintenance, Smith's Surface Guard can be burnished with diamond-encrusted pads to remove scratches. Another option is the application of Smith's ME1000, an acrylic polish. Apply 2 coats of Smith's ME1000 with a microfiber mop, allowing the first coat to dry to the touch before the application of the second coat. Once the ME1000 is dry to the touch, burnish the application area with a white pad. Burnish with Smith's Color Floor installation is excellent for garage floors, retail outlets, restaurants, and other high-traffic installation. This system is not rated for forklift traffic or solvent exposure.